Hi, my name is Nicolas Lopez, and today I'm going to talk about an abstract of an article. The name of this article is Cultural Impact on this a big sporting event. Case of Brazil 2014 by Paula Granados Gomez and Javier Becerril. So one of the points that the article deals with is to understand what is football or soccer in some countries, and the football is the most popular sport in the world. That's maybe because football has many tournaments. We can read here on all continents, in all countries, and we found that the most competitive tournaments are in England, Argentina, Brazil, Spain, Germany. So next we are going to talk about the FIFA World Cup. A World Cup is a competition which only national teams can play. Cup is made since 1930 in Uruguay, and in fact, Uruguay wins that cup against Argentina. So this is the most important tournament of football all over the world. Every player wants to lead national teams to the qualification and then to reach the glory. And also, the FIFA World Cup gathered the best players in the world. In the case of Brazil 2014, talk about players like Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, Modric, Robin van Persie, and many more. So next, we need to understand the importance of football in society. And being the most popular sport in the world, football transcends culture and causes many people to become interested in it. So in many cases, the football is more than a sport, it's more than a game, it's culture in some countries like Argentina or England. The football is a way to live, and the football can be used to do good things. For example, in the year 2005, uh, Didier Drogba beats his national team to qualify for first time to the World Cup in Germany in 2006. But he used this special moment for his nation to stop a civil war. He through the football expressed to the people that they don't need to fight things. Instead of that, they express that they need to be united to support his national team in this important competition. So that proves the importance of football. So next is the impact of the World Cup Brazil 2014. And we found that in the final game, 1 billion people around the world watch the game play between Argentina and Germany. That's a lot of people, and three times this number of people watch the rest of the tournament. And this cup causes that the people express his feelings about this with many ways, making songs talking about the bad things of this competition, like Brazil by Makina talks about the corruption by some members of the FIFA and some members of the Brazilian government, but also songs like "We Are One" by Pitbull and Jennifer Lopez that talks about the passion or talks about the beauty of this game. Also, this tournament generates jobs during its realization, so it's important. So, in short, the article is about how important is the football in the world, how important is the World Cup, and how these kind of competitions impact in the society and in the culture. So, is no more to say, and thank you and goodbye.